Want to know how to do that? No cap, just follow me to learn the cool stuff. Hit subscribe, like, and open Capcut. Then bring in your VFX. But if you want mine, I will drop the download link in the comments section. Add your text, make it big, bold, and probably white, just as I am choosing here. Then go to Animation, In, and choose Sunrise. Put the duration at 2.6 seconds. Yo, had your text right. Then align your VFX with the text. Split the FX here, copy this last part and overlay it, then go to Blend here and choose Color Dodge. Blend it so much until it feels so real. Then add sound effect to the text popping up. Go to Effect Library, search for Push, Drag, Fire, Horror Games. So add it, blend it, so the sound comes in exactly when the text pops up from the smoke. Boom! You just made the cool stuff. Congratulations.